Hello guys, so today I am going to show you how to make a slime. First we need hot water. Ouch. We should put like 2 spoons of salt. And you should put only 1 spoon detergent. You should mix. And then you should add Fevigum. Okay, so I have added glue. Then you should add this. Add the water and try to mix. Mix for 3 to 2 minutes, okay? Then after that you should put the water. Guys, I have mixed it. Let me see if it's working or not.
It is not one. Sir, ಇದು ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇರೆ one stone, it is three. Sir, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶಂಬರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು. What about designs? So let's say for example, like if it is a kind of ongoing design. This is an ongoing one. So what will happen if you go into cracks and
Sorry guys, simply I wasted your time, so the slime didn't become. I thought I could make it, but sorry, it didn't work out. So don't try this, okay, at home. Bye. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel and bye. Hope you like this video.